Imagine a future where every journey is silent, clean, and astonishingly swift. Enter the all-electric Ford Explorer, born from a monumental $2 billion transformation at Ford's historic Cologne plant. This isn't just a shift, it's a revolution in automotive technology, propelling the industry into a new era. The Cologne facility, now a beacon of innovation, sets the stage for a cleaner, more sustainable mode of transport. Here, Ford is not just adapting to an electric future, they're driving us there. From the drawing board to dynamic reality, every great vehicle has a story. The birth of the all-electric Ford Explorer is no different. Conceived with a fusion of German precision engineering and the audacious American spirit, the Explorer is a testament to Ford's vision for the future of mobility. This innovative vehicle represents a strategic shift for Ford, one that required a setting as unique as the project itself. Enter the historic city of Cologne, a beacon of industrious spirit and resilience. Here, Ford transformed a cherished landmark into a cutting-edge electric vehicle center, the first of its kind in Europe. In a poetic twist of fate, the plant, once a symbol of the past, now stands as a beacon of the future, a testament to the transformative power of innovation. This historic transformation underscores Ford's commitment to a sustainable future and electric mobility. What was once a mere concept has now ignited a revolution in Ford's production lines. Step into a symphony of technology where robots and human ingenuity create harmony. The Cologne Electric Vehicle Center is a testament to Ford's commitment to innovation. Here, cutting-edge technology meets traditional craftsmanship. Advanced artificial intelligence systems work hand-in-hand with over 600 new robots, creating a ballet of precision and efficiency. From welding to painting, each robot has a unique role, contributing to the production of the all-electric Ford Explorer. But that's not all. The plant's digital twin technology provides a new level of insight and control. It's like having a mirror image of the entire assembly process, allowing for real-time monitoring and adjustments. This ensures the highest levels of quality and efficiency, right down to the last bolt tightened and the final wire connected. These advanced technologies aren't just producing cars, they're shaping a new era of mobility. In Cologne, every bolt tightened and every wire connected shapes the future of mobility. Meet the vehicle that's setting new standards in the electric vehicle domain. Introducing the all-new, all-electric Ford Explorer. This isn't just another electric vehicle, it's a marvel of modern engineering and design, blending German precision with an unmistakable American flair. At the heart of the Explorer is a state-of-the-art battery-electric powertrain, ensuring zero tailpipe emissions while delivering a driving experience that's both exhilarating and environmentally conscious. Imagine cruising past the city limits, venturing into the countryside, or exploring new terrains without a single stop for fuel. The all-electric Explorer makes this possible with a driving range of over 600 kilometers on a single charge. That means more adventure with less environmental impact. But it's not just about distance. The Explorer comes equipped with superior standard specifications that set it apart in a crowded market. From its sleek aerodynamic design to the luxurious, tech-filled interior, every aspect has been crafted with precision and purpose. The integration of advanced technologies ensures that each ride is safe, comfortable, and connected, making it an ideal choice for the discerning modern driver. Ford is not simply launching a new model, they are redefining what it means to drive an electric vehicle. The all-electric Explorer is anticipated to make a significant impact on the market, reshaping consumer expectations and further establishing Ford's commitment to innovation and sustainability in the automotive industry. With the all-electric Explorer, Ford promises not just a vehicle, but a new way to explore the world. Every end is just a new beginning, especially in the journey of innovation. As we look to the horizon, the Cologne Electric Vehicle Center is not just a marvel of modern engineering, it's a launch pad for the future. Here, the wheels are already in motion to start production on a brand new sports crossover later this year. This next chapter promises to blend agility with the sheer power of electric propulsion, setting new benchmarks in the automotive landscape. Ford's vision extends beyond just manufacturing revolutionary vehicles. It's about shaping the future of mobility, crafting a world where travel is not only sustainable, but exhilarating. The introduction of the all-electric Explorer is just the beginning. With each vehicle that rolls off the line, Ford is carving a path towards a cleaner, more efficient, and more exciting driving experience. As Ford continues to innovate, the road ahead looks electric, exciting, and utterly transformative.